What's going on, everyone, and welcome back again to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. We have another unboxing. This is the C922 Pro HD Stream Webcam. Damn, that's a mouthful. Logitech, obviously. This is the Full HD 1080p with 30 frames per second, and it also offers 720p with 60 frames per second, and it comes with a tripod stand. And Spidey, he's in the building as always. He's our official timekeeper, keeping me on point. If you're new to the channel and you like this content, you want to check out some of my other videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's definitely appreciated. And if you're new or returning, make sure you definitely hit that like button. That's how YouTube kind of navigates me the way I need to be. If you don't know, I did create a second YouTube channel. It's going to be very different from this. It's going to be streaming, reaction videos, trending topics, so on and so forth. And it's going to be more of a podcast-ish type of channel. So make sure to subscribe to that channel. We're here for this. The reason I say all that is going to be doing some streaming, you know. Gotta have the webcam. Got to. You know, the webcam on my computer, well, I have a Mac, but it's not the best. So we gotta get accessories, third-party things. Thank you, Mac, for doing that. Sarcasm, by the way. That's why I have this webcam. So we're gonna be doing some streaming. We're gonna be talking about stuff. Let's do this unboxing. I got my Swifty Difty knife right here. It's like a freaking Ninja Turtle. All right, hold on. Let's cut this without chopping any fingers off, losing any digits. Is there tape on? Yes, there is tape on here. Maybe I can just peel this one off. Let's see. All right, I can just peel that one off. Boom. Put this away before I cut myself. Let's get this out of here. See what we got. This is my first time ever having a webcam. So if I'm a noob, that is why. So here is oh, is it attached to something? Oh, it is. I'm like, why is this taking a difficult time to pull out? All right, hold on. Let's get crazy now. Let's get crazy because this stuff doesn't want to come out. All right, boom. We have the webcam itself. As you can see, it says HD 1080p Logi. And this is the mount right here. So I know this is adjustable. Let's take this plastic off because it's giving me issues. All right, we got the plastic off. So this is the mount right here. I think this is adjustable. Okay, so how it sits on your device monitor. Oh, hold on. Got him. All right, and we'll take this plastic off too. Ooh, I know you guys like the sound. It's so satisfying, isn't it? I know this. So here's the final product. Oh, there's more. There's more. Hold on, let's get it. And we got all the plastic. All right, hopefully there's no more plastic. Anyways, this is it right here. I believe, actually I don't believe anything. I don't even know how this sits on my stuff. So this is the deal. I don't want y'all to think I'm completely like, you know, not tech savvy. I'm not going to sit this on a monitor. I want to put this under my TV. My TV's mounted on the wall. So I want to sit this under the TV, which is almost, you know, eye height, eye level. But then this will be upside down. I need it this way. I don't know if it will record correctly this way. I could be wrong. I don't know. It might. But I need this hooked on the bottom of my TV. Does this adjust? I don't think so. All right, so this can screw in. Oh, this comes with a tripod. I'm tripping. Maybe I don't have to sit it on my TV. Maybe I can just put it somewhere else since it comes with a tripod. There was an option to get it without the tripod, but that was the 720p version, and I didn't want that. So here's some more papers, manuals, tutorials, blah, blah, blah. Is your orientation of the bad boy. Here's the little tripod that it comes with. So we're gonna peel this open. And there you go. Damn, this thing is tiny, boy. Sheesh. All right, and I guess this tightens. This will probably tighten that. Okay, that's what that does. It tightens that. So I could find a place to sit this like this. Maybe put, I think this goes in, and then this comes down. Is this going? All right. And then this adjusts however you need it. So I think I can find a place. If I can't mount it on my TV the way I want to, I think I can find a place. Whoa, that wasn't screwing in? Hold on. Spidey, where we at on time? You know I'm not trying to keep the people. I'm not trying to keep the people. Damn. Oh, okay. So maybe you just screw this like this. Don't twist the thing. Boom, and there it goes. So we're here. So this could sit like this somewhere. I just gotta find where. But yeah, I'll figure that out. But yeah, so this is what this webcam is gonna be for. Again, this is, gotta make sure I say it right, the Logitech C922 Pro HD Stream webcam. This is the 1080p version. It also offers 720p 60 frames. I wanted to get a little bang for my buck. This is a USB cable that connects to your computer. I'm gonna figure out how to mount this on my TV. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And if I didn't say it before, Spidey, peace.